So in this question, we have to solve this equation, and it is clear that dou u by dou t equal to dou square u by dou x square. It's a neat equation. So what is the general form of the heat equation? Dou u by dou t, that is equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. What is the given equation? Dou u by dou t, that is equal to dou square u by dou x square. On comparison of these two equations, I can say that c square equal to 1. This is first step. Next step in look at the boundary conditions. Okay, so and here u of x comma 0, it is the initial condition, and u of 0 comma t equal to 0, that means the first column is 0 in the two-way table, and u of 12 comma t equal to 6, the last column is 6, and t value is given t from 0 to 6, and using h equal to 2. K value kottilla avanu ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You have to assume alpha equal to 1 by 2. Now remember, if they given both k and h value in the question, you have to calculate the corresponding alpha value. If they given only h value or only k value, you have to assume alpha equal to 1 by 2, and you have to make use of Bendray-Smith formula. So u of x comma 0 is equal to 0, and the first column is 0. So u of 12 comma t equal to 6, and the last column is 6. H value is 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. H value is 2, and k value is unknown, so we don't have k value. So how can we calculate k value? We have a equation alpha equal to kc square by h square, and we have, in order to calculate the value of k, we need to assume alpha equal to 1 by 2. That is the trick here. So which is 1 by 2 equal to, so k into c square is 1 by h square is 4, so 2 1s are 2 2s are, right? So what is k here? K equal to 2. So we got the h value as well as k value, both are equal to 2. Now let us write the values of x and values of t. So I need to write the values of x now. How can I write this? Using h value. What is h? H equal to 2. So the h is 2 is the step size, and what is the initial value of x? Look at the boundary condition. It is 0 to 12. So what are the values of x? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And how can you write the values of t? So here the step size is calculated as 2. So look at the condition here. X t values from 0 to 6. With the step size 2 on the 0, 2, 4, 6. Steps is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What are the t values here? So let me write the t value. It is 0, 2, 4, and 6. The boundary condition, u of x comma 0 equal to 0. The first column is 0. And u of 12 comma t is 6. The last column is 6. So u of x comma 0 equal to x into 12 minus x. We feed the formula to the calculator, x into 12 minus x. And hit the solve button. So x value 2 kodi ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ? It's 20. 4 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 32, 6, 36, and for 8, 32, and for 10, 20. So we got the first row value. Now I need to find the remaining value. It all depends upon alpha. What is alpha? So alpha is 1 by 2, right? We have a formula in the heat equation. What is that? In order to calculate this value, we need to consider the neighboring boxes here, neighboring values. So you have to multiply this value with alpha. You have to multiply this value with alpha, and you have to multiply this value with 1 minus 2 alpha. So here alpha is what? 1 by 2. So clearly 1 minus 2 alpha is 0, right? So this value is 0. And you are multiplying, alpha is 1 by 2 here, and here alpha is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into this plus 1 by 2 into this. That means the average of two diagonal blocks here. Now I need to find this value. So 0 plus 32 divided by 2. What is that? 16. Average. 20 plus 36. 56. 56 divided by 2 is 28. And 32 plus 32 divided by 2. 32, and 36 plus 20, 56. 56 divided by 2 is 28. 32 plus 6, 38. 38 divided by 2, and here 0 plus 28 divided by 2, 14. 16 plus 32, 38, 48. And 28 plus 28 divided by 2, 32 plus 19, which is 25.5. 28 plus 6, 34 divided by 2 under 17. And next 0 plus 24 divided by 2, 12. And 14 plus 28 divided by 2 is 21. 24 plus 25.5 divided by 2, 24.75. Correct ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. 28 plus 17 divided by 2, 25.5 plus 6 divided by 2, 15. This is the answer. The only thing is, for the heat equation you have to remember this formula.